Hello everyone, I hope you are all fine and you are taking care of yourself very nicely. Okay, students. Today, welcome in our next session of chapter 2 Flying Together. Before this, we have learned the whole lesson in our previous session. Okay, so let's start. The first question is question number 1. Where did the geese live? Where did the geese live? The geese live in the leafy branches of a tall tree. Okay, let's see once again. The geese lived in the leafy branches of a tall tree. Okay, look at that next question. Question number 2. Why did the old bird advise the other birds to destroy the creeper? Okay, I will repeat once again. Why did the old bird advise the other birds to destroy the creeper? And answer is the old bird advised the other birds to destroy the creeper because it could help a hunter to climb up the tree and kill all of them, and hunter will kill all of them, and therefore that old bird advised the other birds to destroy the creeper. Okay, look at that next one. Question number 3 from your textbook. Why did the geese cry help help like this? Why did the geese cry help help? That answer is the geese cried for help because they were trapped in the hunter's net. Okay, once again I will repeat it. The geese cried for help because they were trapped in the hunter's net. Okay, students, look at that next question. Question number 4. Why did the hunter do? What did the hunter do when he thought that the geese were dead? That geese were dead. That answer is that hunter threw them out of the net one by one. That hunter or he threw them out of the net one by one. Okay, look at that next question. Question number 5. Why did the geese pretended to be dead? Why did that geese pretended to be dead? The geese pretended to be dead so that the hunter would leave them safely. Why they pretend means show to be dead? The geese pretended to be dead because so that the hunter would leave them safely. Okay, look at that next question. Question number 6. Describe one incident when you got into a trouble because you did not do your work on time. What will happen when you didn't work? What will happen when you didn't work on time? Let's see what happened. Look at that answer, students. I had to participate in a quiz contest. Here we are discussing this just one incident. Okay, it is for example for you. You can write your own experience. Okay, students. So I had to participate in a quiz contest to be held on the occasion of Children's Day. As there was 1 week to come to that auspicious day, I got relaxed and didn't touch any of the references book. Okay, and therefore next see what happened. My mother kept on telling me to consult a few new books or few books for the contest, but I didn't pay any attention to her advice. I had full confidence in myself. I thought the day before the contest would be enough for the preparation. There are many days for preparation. When that day came, I got severe headache. But as that day of Children's Day came, I got headache. I could not go through any book, and therefore I could not go through any book. Although I participated in the contest, I did Nothing. I felt ashamed of myself. So this is the one of the incidents that I have described for you. You can write your own experience. Okay, students. Look at that next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. You have to tell the following statement is true or false. First is for you. The tree was the house of flock of parrots. Is it true? No, it's wrong. It is the flock of geese. Okay, and therefore this is a wrong one, means false. Okay, look at that second one. The wise old bird wanted the creeper to be destroyed. Yes, it is. He wanted it to be destroyed because he know what is the upcomings. Okay, so the hunter climbed the tree with the help of a ladder. Is it true? No, it's really false because hunter climbed the tree with the help of creeper. Okay, look at that fourth one. When caught in the net, the foolish birds began to weep. Is it true? Yes, they start weeping and shouting help, help, help like that, and therefore it is true. So look at that next one. The wise old bird helped them to escape. Is it true? Yes, that wise bird gave the idea to them to pretend the dead, to pretend dead, and therefore they escape easily through the hands of hunter. Okay, so this statement is true one. Okay, students, let's move towards next question. Let's listen. Listen to the following paragraph. Here in your textbook, one of the paragraph is given, and we have to answer along that paragraph. And that paragraph is about the ant and the dove. It is a story like. Okay, I think you would have heard about this. Let's see. On his way home, an ant saw a sparkling fountain. Once again, I will repeat. On his way home, an ant saw a sparkling fountain. Look at that next. He crawled to its wall to take a closer look. Suddenly, he slipped and fell into the water. He gurgled and panicked and waved his legs in the air. Help! I can't swim, he cried. Luckily, just at that moment, a friendly dove flew by. She saw that the tiny ant was drowning and quickly flew to a nearby tree. Then she pulled off a leaf and let it glide down the ant. Glide down to the ant. Here you are, she cooed and flew away. And this story was adapted by Aesop Fables. Okay, students. Fable means it is a short moral story. It gives a moral to you. That is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay, those friends who help you in your when you are trouble are your true friend. Okay, students, like that. Then, why do you think the dove helped the ant? Is the first question. It is related to the passage given above. Okay, why do you think the dove helped the ant? I think the dove helped the ant because she was friendly by nature and so took pity on the tiny ant. Okay, I will repeat once again. I think the dove helped the ant because she was friendly by nature and so took pity on the tiny ant. Okay, look at that next question. How do you think the ant felt on finding the leaf? How do you think the ant felt on finding the leaf? On finding the leaf, the ant would have felt very happy. The ant would felt very happy. She would have also felt thankful to the dove. Okay, so when you are trouble and somebody help you, you have to be thankful to the your friend or your neighbor. Okay, Look at that next question. Have you ever been in trouble like the ant? Have you ever been in trouble like the ant? Did anyone help you? Okay, so here is a personal response kind of question is there, so you can tell your own story. Okay, so once I got lost in fair, so here I have mentioned one of the model answer for you. Okay, so here once I got lost in fear, I got panic. I requested several persons to give me their mobile for a while so that I may call to my father, but no one helped me. In the last, I went to a policeman and gave him my father's mobile number. The policeman contacted with my father and told him to pick me up from the main gate of the compound where the fair was held. Like that, you can write your own experience where you get panic, and how you are helped by other people. Okay, let's see next question, and that is work in pairs. Ask your friend questions about all the things he does. You have to ask some question here. Some answers are given and you have to prepare the questions by WH words. Look at that, WH words are given here. Use questions words such as where. WH words means what, students? WH words means the words which are start from W and H. WH, look at it, where, what. How is the exception, but it is count in WH also. Who, when, why. Okay, like this. So these are the WH words. You have to prepare your own questions related to given lines. Okay, let's see. The first is done for you. I watch TV in the evening. Anu and Amit are conversation between the Anu and Amit is there. Anu said that I watch TV in the and Amit asked the question by himself, when do you watch TV? It is given for you. Okay, then right now you have to do your questions related to the lines. I play games, and the question is, what do you play? What do you play? I play games, like this. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, and that uh, red in color sentence was the questions. Okay, I collect stamps. Then how would you ask that question? I collect stamps. Then you will ask like, what do you collect? What do you collect? Okay, like that. Then look at that next one. I play in the ground, and the question is, where do you play? Where do you play? Like that. On Sunday I go shopping. What do you do on Sunday? What do you do on Sunday? Okay, like this you can make questions for the given sentences. Okay, and here the next easy one is for you. Answer this question about yourself. You can answer by yourself only. I have taken this in a question and answer, otherwise you will answer them by yourself. Okay, students, so let's see. What is your name? What languages do you speak? Are the questions. And the next one is, how old are you? Which is your favorite food? Where did you go yesterday? Which country do you belongs to? When do you go to sleep? So these are the easy questions. You can answer them easily. You can write your own responses regarding these questions. Okay, so next question, last one is, why do you drink milk? And the answers are, the first question is, what is your name? Here I have written my own responses. My name is Shruti. Student, you can write your own response. Okay, my name is Shruti, like this. Then what languages do you speak? I speak Hindi and English and Marathi also, you can write. Then third one is, how old are you? I am 10 years old, like this. Then which is your favorite food? My favorite food is curry and chawal. Okay. Then next one is where did you go yesterday? Yesterday I went to museum. Okay, like this. Then next one is which country do you belong to? Which country do you belong to? I belong to India. Yes, I belongs to India. And when do you go to sleep? When do you go to sleep? And the answer is I go to sleep at 10 p.m. Okay, like this. And last one is why do you drink milk? I drink milk to get strong. Yes, and these are the answers of the questions given in your textbook. Okay, students, write all the things in your own notebook. And thank you for hearing me. We will meet at the next session for our question and answers. Thank you.